Blutbart.
Hello and welcome back to another behind the scenes toy photography video. This week I'm going to show you how to take a group portrait. I call this shot Clone Force 99. I'll also show you my editing process. If you're a Star Wars fan and you haven't watched The Bad Batch, pause this video and go watch it right now. Star Wars animation has always been special, but this show is just incredible. I rewatched it for the 4th time just a few months back and I still think about it constantly. For this shot, I took inspiration from the key art used for Season 1, which was a moody group shot of the main cast. From left to right, we have Tech, Hunter, Echo, Wrecker, and Crosshair. These clones were technically defective, but they each had special abilities that when combined made them a force to be reckoned with. From a technical standpoint, this was a pretty simple shot. I just lined up my 5 action figures in front of a digital backdrop featuring a stock image of a sunset. I removed their backpacks so that I could group them more closely together, and I tried to pose them similarly to the poster. With my figures in place, I finalized my lighting. I used a large programmable softbox on either side with a small LED panel light for some additional warm tones. Here's my starting image. No major edits were needed for this shot. I mostly wanted to tweak the color grading to be more similar to the poster. I began by adding a levels adjustment layer and a warm photo filter. After that, I added a color balance adjustment layer. Next, I duplicated my base layer to non-destructively use the dodge tool to brighten up my subjects. I used varying exposures to brighten both the shadows and the midtones. Using content-aware fill, I removed the corner of my softbox that was protruding into the frame. Following that, I used the crop tool to tighten up the sides and bottom of the image. For the penultimate adjustment, I added a vignette around the edges to draw the viewer's eyes towards the center. And finally, I added some ships above them for visual interest. So once again, here's the starting image. And here's where I ended up. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing, and make sure to check me out on Instagram. Thanks, and until next time.